که غواړئ په انګلیسي باندې خبرې وکړئ په ورځني ژوند کې نو دغه ویډیو ضرور وګورئ. نن به موږ په دې ویډیو کې سیمپل د انګلیسي جملې زده کوو، کومې چې په ورځني ژوند کې ډېرې زیاتې استعمالیږي او ډېرې ضروري دي. I am happy. I am happy. زه خوشحاله یم. Repeat after me. زما څخه وروسته یې تکرار کړئ. I am happy. I am tired. I am tired. زه ستړی یم. Repeat after me. I am tired. I am ready. I am ready. زه تیار یم. Repeat after me. I am ready. I am busy. I am busy. زه مصروف یم. Repeat after me. I am busy. I am hungry. I am hungry. زه وږی یم. Repeat after me. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. زه تږی یم. Repeat after me. I am thirsty. How are you? How are you? ته څنګه یې؟ Repeat after me. How are you? I am fine. I am fine. زه ښه یم. Repeat after me. I am fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. خوشحاله شوم چې تا سره مې ولیدل. یا له تاسو سره په لیدو خوشحاله شوم. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What is your name? ستا نوم څه دی؟ Repeat after me. What is your name? My name is Ali. My name is Ali. زما نوم علی دی. Repeat after me. My name is Ali. Where are you going? Where are you going? ته چیرته ځې؟ Repeat after me. Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? ته څه کوې؟ Repeat after me. What are you doing? I am studying. I am studying. زه درس وایم یا زه مطالعه کوم. Repeat after me. I am studying. I am working. I am working. زه کار کوم. Repeat after me. I am working. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. لږ صبر وکړه. Repeat after me. Wait a moment. Come here. Come here. دلته راشه. Repeat after me. Come here. Let's go. Let's go. راځئ ولاړ شو. Repeat after me. Let's go. Sit down. Sit down. کېنه. Repeat after me. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. ودرېږه. Repeat after me. Stand up. I understand. I understand. زه پوه شوم. Repeat after me. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. زه نه پوهېږم. Repeat after me. I don't understand. Please repeat. Please repeat. مهرباني وکړه بیا یې ووایه. Repeat after me. Please repeat. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. ورو خبرې وکړه. Repeat after me. Speak slowly. No problem. No problem. ستونزه نشته. Repeat after me. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. مننه. Repeat after me. Thank you. تاسو نن د انګلیسي ځینې جملې زده کړې او تاسو باید پریکټس وکړئ ترڅو ستاسو انګلیش نور هم ښه شي. د راتلونکي ویډیو لپاره زموږ چینل سبسکرایب کړئ.